All right, guys, 2018 Flawless Baseball. One box break, number 2B. Team owners, ATL Clancy, Baltimore, Elwood, Boston, Peter C, Chicago, Blue 00. That's Cubs. White Sox, Moncari, Reds, Ray Sports Cards, Cleveland Ray, Rockies, Nico, Calico, Detroit, Matty K, Houston, Dennis L, KC, we got Todd. He doesn't really like gold. And we got Angels, Moncari, Dodgers, Moncari, Miami, J-Dog, Brew Crew, JK, a.k.a. Jimmy Dean Sausage, Minnesota Twins, Patrick, Mets, Ram, Yankees, Patrick, Oakland, Spears, Philly, J-Tac, Pirates, Ian, Padres, Penzito, Giants, Ray Sports Cards, Mariners, Blues, Cardinals, Blues, Tampa Bay Rays, Matty, Bo, Batty, Texas Rangers, Kaput, Toronto, Dennis, and the Nationals, a.k.a. Dot Dot. Panini. All right, guys, good luck. Here he is again for the Dodge. We got a rookie patches, Walker Buehler, number to 15 for the Dodgers. Ferris's brother, all stuffed up. Triple memorabilia, number to 15. Pee Wee Reese, Carl Furillo, and Eddie Stanky. His ancestors used to have a severe body odor problem. Is this the Dodgers? Anybody know? Because I do not know. Brooklyn. Did Brooklyn turn into LA? I don't know, guys. So it is the Dodge. LA Dodgers. Nice one, Dodge. 2 cards in a row. And we got Ryan McMahon autograph for the Rockies, 5 of 20. And then we got for the Oakland A's, auto number to 20, Jose Canseco. Number to 20. Oaktown, where you at? Going to Spears. Lieutenant Spears. And for Toronto, Joe Carter, number to 20. Good old JC. I remember Joey. I forgot who he played with. The Reds or somebody later. I forgot. And we got a New York Mets autograph. Number /20. Yoenis Cespedes for the Mets. Yeah, it's Carter with TOR. Dude, they are killing it. We have an Emerald Auto. 2 out of 3 for the Dodgers. Cody Bellinger. Everybody thought, well, the Dodgers had a hit last night, so they're not going to hit today. That's what I was saying. These are loose boxes. I just took a little snapshot of that one. All right, guys, here we go. Oh, I think we got something special. Holy cow! Number /20, Mickey Mantle for the Yankees. Patrick, you want some? Come get some. What's this? Oh, this is just the... And another filthy looking card. Patch auto /10. Greg Maddux. Atlanta Braves. That's another beauty right there. And from what I can tell, I think this next card is going to be pure filth. I've never seen this before. What is it? Look. I don't know what it is. Cleat. It's got to be a cleat. 7 of 13. Spike. Dustin Pedroia. Oh, I don't like that. I will get one that tightens this up, okay? Whoever has Boston, so that it doesn't flip-flop for you when it ships. I'll take care of that for you. Don't worry. It'll be perfect. And that is it. Stuff is beautiful, man. Here, this. Next week I'll start random these off. If it does go international, might need a little help with the shipping on it. Just because this makes it way more international. Because I told my sons I would give them the first 2. And last time I didn't give them to them. And then next week I'll start randoming off to you guys. Alright, that's it. Thank you so much, guys. I appreciate it. I'll definitely have more of that next week. I think it's a beautiful product for sure. Alright, thank you, guys. See what we can get filled.